In this video, I am going to teach you how to learn English easily. I am going to ask you questions, and I am going to pause briefly to give you time to answer the question. After a few seconds, I'm going to answer the question, and maybe my answer doesn't match yours. With this learning method, you will advance in a nice and fast way. We will be making videos of practical life situations, in the workplace, in restaurants, in consultations with the doctor, in stores, at school, etc. Conversation at a bus stop. Hi Carla. Hi Cindy. Have you been waiting for the bus for a long time? Yes, 10 minutes ago. I think the next bus is almost there. Yes, I hope so. Are you going very far? No, I'm just going to college. How about you? I go to the mall. Great, if I didn't have to go to school today, I'd go shopping with you. It would be a pleasure for me if you accompanied me. It will be another time. Look, the bus is coming. Yes, that's our route, it's the 45 bus. Come, sit down, you go further than me. No thanks, I prefer to stand up. So I'm going to take that feeling. The next stop is the university. Yes, I say goodbye to you, have a good day. Thanks, same to you. Bye. Bye.